So the next thing we'll do is look at the offer detail screen and just show how you can document the decision for an offer. So for any offer that you see in the active offer dashboard, you can click on the little eye icon, which takes you to the offer details screen. You can see there's quite a lot of information on this screen. The top left hand side, you can see details about the offer, including the hospital code, the EOS number, where the offer came into, so which is the implanting center, which is the planned implanting center, so for Cox neck transplants, whether it's going to happen in another center, the current status, timings, information about recipients, and then some donor information which has been obtained from EOS.
In order to edit anything on this screen, you simply have to click the little edit icons to the top right-hand side of any of the panels, or use the menu on the left-hand side. And this menu is contextual, so it'll change as you go through the offering process. The first thing you're going to want to do when you've had an offer is to record the decision. Okay, so either using the button at the top right of the offer status panel, or the link to the left-hand side of the screen, you can go to the decision screen. And you can either set the offer to accepted or declined, whether it was declined by the coordinator or the consultant. If you decline an offer, you'll be asked to enter the reasons for decline. There's a drop-down menu here, which you can scroll through or type to search, and you can select multiple offers reasons for decline. One of the things that you do have the option to select is either declines for logistical reasons or a lack of ITU beds. If you record a lack of ITU beds, you'll be asked to record a decision as to whether the consultant would have accepted that offer if a bed had been available. If you don't know at the time, so for example, if it's in the middle of the night and you haven't had the opportunity to talk to the consultant about the offer, just click pending. Okay, try to put as much detail as possible in here if you can. For now, we'll record this offer as being accepted and press submit. And you can see when we go back to the page, two things happen. First of all, this offer is potentially eligible for a clinical trial. And there's the ability within the Transplant Offer Manager to flag patients that might be suitable for a clinical trial depending on the offer details. So for example, we've got a clinical trial running that is recruiting SPK recipients between a particular donor ages. This will flag that trial up to you when you accept the offer and tell you who to contact. You can see now our offer decision has been recorded and the offer is now showing as accepted, but we don't yet know the outcome. Bit more information that appears on here now. You'll see that we now have the travel distance and the travel time in current traffic for that offer. And down the bottom, you'll see that a panel has appeared for the organ anatomy, which you'll be able to document when the time comes.